Chinese automaker Jetour made its debut at the Malaysia Autoshow 2024, showcasing the dashing SUV, set for local assembly and launch alongside the X70 Plus in the latter half of the year. The dashing, built on the Kunlun architecture, measures 4,590 mm in length, 1,900 mm in width, 1,685 mm in height, and has a 2,720 mm wheelbase, positioning it between the Honda CR-V and Toyota Corolla Cross in size. Two variants are available, Prime and Signature. Both are powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-four petrol engine producing 156 PS and 230 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission and front-wheel drive. Drivers can choose from 3 drive modes: Economy, Comfort, and Sport. The Prime variant features 18-inch wheels, while the Signature comes with 19-inch wheels. Standard equipment for the Prime includes LED lights, a powered tailgate, keyless entry and start, remote engine start, leather seats, a 6-way powered driver's seat, dual 10.25-inch digital screens for the instrument cluster and infotainment system, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, 4 speakers, and automatic air conditioning with a CN95 filter. The Signature variant adds a panoramic sunroof, a 4-way powered passenger seat, ambient lighting, lane change assist, blind spot monitoring, lane change warning, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree view monitor. 5 color options are available: Vanilla Blue, Khaki White, Star Black, Phantom Gray, and Tech Gray. Pricing details will be revealed in the second half of the year.